looking to keep that position. Jake Beaver's in the line that time by 28 thousandths of a second separating those two as the plane still looks to the outside. John Reel pulling out as Beavers clears McLean for the lead.
Yeah, unfortunately that fine truck issues sounds like some issues in the fine, so hopefully he'll be able to get those corrected. Good to have him here at Midvale Speedway each and every week. We hope he gets his problems fixed up and ready to go all year. White flag or leaving the Beavers.
Eddie takes a look, but he's not going to make it. Heat race number 2 winner, Jake Beavers. Eddie McLean, Storm Johnson, and the 5 truck will round out your field.